What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're trying the very sticky but always helpful Sticky Glouie from the YouTube Kids app. Now Sticky Glouie is really creative and always comes in handy, but he's also very distracted because his body is so sticky that he keeps on picking up new companions. Now, I can often be confused but always tries to stay positive and is helpful. And to help you draw this character with me, we're going to pull up that target image on the top left corner. Let's start in the center of our page with the eyes. We're going to start over on the left side with an oval, come down towards the bottom, and then back up. And leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same sized oval on the right. So let's start by lining up the top, come down towards the bottom, and then back up. Now let's fill each of the eyes in black. In between the eyes, we're going to draw in the mouth. So starting on the left, let's bend this down, and then up towards the right side. Now you want to surround the face with a rectangle with rounded corners. Let's start on the top left. Start with a straight line going across, right about there. Now let's round up the top corners. Just going to bend this around and then down. Let's come all the way down towards the bottom with a straight line. And then again, we'll round up the corners and pull that in. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw on the body, which is the outside edge of the bottle. From the top left, let's step over, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the body to right about there. Let's line this up on the right, coming all the way down towards the same height. Now you want to round out the bottom corners of the body, coming down and just bending that in. And then again, just closing off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to bend the body going up towards the nozzle. On the left side, go up. I'm just going to bend that in to right about there. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Going up, and then bending that in towards the same height. Let's close off the center with a curve that comes down the middle, and we'll bend that up. Now along the top, we're going to draw that twisty part of the nozzle. From these 2 points, draw a straight line going up towards the top. Now we're going to close off the top with that same curve, starting on the left, coming down, and then back up. Now the pointy nozzle is going to sit in the middle. From these 2 points, let's step in, draw a curve, coming down and up. And then from the ends, we're going to bend this up on the left, then in towards the middle. Let's round up the tip, come out, and then down towards the right side. Now I'm going to wrap the top of the nozzle in behind the side, starting on the left, then it's up and in, come in on the right. Let's come back down towards the bottom and draw on the legs. We're going to leave a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. Draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, go all the way over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now you want to round up the bottom of the feet, starting from the heel, come down, go up, and just bend that in towards the outside of the ankle. And then from the ankle, draw a straight line going back up underneath the body. Let's go to the side of the body and draw on the arms. We'll start on the left side, bend this out, come down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going out, down, and in. Now I want to round up the hands along the bottom. And we'll trace the curve of the arm going up and in towards the side of the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now along the nozzle, we're going to add 3 lines. Let's start right in the center. Start with one coming down the middle. Let's move out and draw one more on either side. And finally, we're going to add some texture on the top right side. Start with a straight angle line coming down. And draw 2 short lines on either side. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Sticky Glouie from the YouTube Kids app. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.